Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will talk about privacy and risk management, how you can protect privacy and mitigate risk. Well, nowadays, if we talk about Microsoft solutions or product, there is a big usage of AI and automation to identify regulatory and compliance challenges and to manage response to incidents and comply with both regulatory and corporate policies. So if you want to build a compliant and productive workspace, okay, I'm sorry, I misspelled. Okay, you have to identify and assess regulatory and compliance risk. Okay, you have to detect and reduce risk related to data accumulation, data overexposure, and inappropriate communications. You have to quickly respond to incidents. Like you have to identify and manage data related to an incident and respond efficiently. You have to comply with regulatory and corporate policies, and you have to optimize efficiency with AI and automation. How you can do this? You can analyze large amounts of data, prioritize action, and mitigate the risk. Now, if we talk about market statistics, right, the case of modernization. For many companies, managing compliance and privacy program is inefficient and time consuming, which increases the risk of regulatory fines or failing an audit. If you talk about most time consuming task, is to identify and assess the risk. And as per the data available on Microsoft documentation, 59% of companies rely on mostly manual processes. Okay. And 1900 plus general data protection regulation fines exceeding $4.5 billion. More than $4.5 billion. So, what are the products available at Microsoft to give the solution of privacy and risk management or IT risk management, right? You have Microsoft Purview e-discovery. How does that help? It discover and manage the data in place to efficiently respond to legal matters and internal investigations. You have Microsoft Purview data lifecycle and record management. It would meet your legal, business, privacy and regulatory obligations with powerful data governance and records management tools. Then you have communication compliance. Okay, it would foster safe and compliant communication by detecting sensitive or inappropriate content across the organization. Then you have Microsoft Priva. It would elevate the privacy posture, keep customers' data private, and streamline compliance processes. How would you remain compliant and secure? How? So that you can manage risk and privacy with a unified AI-powered solution. So if you check more on Microsoft documentation or the data sheets or white papers available with tons of documentation regarding manage risk and privacy. I'm sorry, I lost the control on my cursor. That's why I mistyped it. Okay. So managing risk and privacy. So basic layman term is to assess risk, respond to incidents, and secure data. Now, how can you manage sensitive data across your entire digital estate? Okay. So I hope this video was informative for you. If you want me to cover anything else or any more topics on this privacy and risk management, please mention them in the comment section, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.